This is Train Sirens 1 presents my new Whelen WPS-2810. I got this Siren from McCreany Warning Systems. I'm sorry for the wind. It's very windy today. And here is the Whelen controller. It's really massive. You can tell because it's almost. I'll just try it. It's really massive Whelen ESC 2020 controller. I think it works. From what I was told, that the controller still works. It came from Morrow, Georgia. This is a tornado siren. The reason why it was removed because all the drivers in the 2810 stopped working or went bad. But I got extra drivers for it, and I also got a 2750 apology Siren, but it was in pieces from Siren Explorations, and I got drivers off that Whelen, and also got other Whelens for the 2810. So the black ones came off the 27 series, and the white ones are from just spare ones that McCreany Warning Systems had, and they're probably used ones, and they're probably gonna just stop working when I first use them. Used drivers usually aren't the best, but I'm gonna throw in the white ones. I could tell that one is from a Vortex because of this bracket right here. It came off a Vortex or a 4004. Oh, I forgot to show y'all one more thing. This is my Whelen Encoder 2020. I'm the first person or siren enthusiast to obtain this. It does work. I'll just go ahead and just do a demonstration. And it does work. I just did a quick demonstration. It's not hooked up to a radio, in case you're wondering. There's no radio. It's just the encoder itself. I think this concludes the whole video. I will be working on the Whelen 2810 more. I'm just gonna have to test all drivers before making my big trip to Western Services. Hopefully next week, depending on the winter weather and they just had, if it's not so bad. When I do go to Western Services next week, if I do, I'm gonna try to get some drivers for my Whelen 2810 in case the others, some of them don't work. I plan on using the Whelen 2810. I haven't decided if I want to replace my modulator with the Whelen 2810. As the 2810 is supposed to be louder than the modulator, I think. Since the modulator probably has a few drivers that don't work, and in the Whelen, there's more chance to get the whole thing working just easy. I think this concludes the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See y'all next time.